That's real, bro. We just poking with you. Just trying to wake you up this morning.
Yeah, trying to get everybody involved. I'm at 50% right now. Got some people saying our brains, your nerves. It's only at 58%. Give you another 30 seconds. Put your answer in, and then we're moving. You got 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't worry about wrong answers.
Human brain is the central command system for the whole body. It's a mass of about 180 billion neurons. Neurons have multiple synapses that create a network of over 100 trillion connections. Tiny electrical currents and chemical messengers send information around the brain at 268 miles per hour. There's enough electrical current in your brain to power an LED light bulb, about 12 to 25 watts. An adult brain weighs about 3 pounds, and if you hold your fist together with your thumbs touching, that's about the size of your brain. The folds in the brain increase its area of size. A baby's brain is nearly smooth, while an adult brain looks a lot like a walnut with lots of little folds. Brain tissue needs both oxygen and glucose to function. It uses 20% of the blood's oxygen and glucose, and brain cells begin to die after around 5 minutes of no oxygen. Different parts of the brain have different functions. The main structure in the brain are the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the occipital lobe, the cerebellum, the temporal lobe, and the brainstem. The brain connects to the rest of the body through the spinal cord, which branches out into similar and smaller nerves throughout the body. The nervous system is the body's wiring system. It transmits messages to and from the brain that are both voluntary and involuntary. The involuntary messages are things we can't control, like our heartbeat, feeling pain, and reflexes. Voluntary messages are things we are aware of, like reaching for a pen or speaking. The pins and needles sensation happens when a nerve is compressed and the signal is disrupted. Injury to nerves can cause permanent paralysis and numbness. Nerve diseases can cause loss of memory, uncontrollable shaking, a loss of feeling, muscle deterioration, and seizures. To examine and measure brain structure, activity, and nerve function, doctors can perform an MRI, a CT, or an EEG scan. A healthy brain and nervous system needs a varied and healthy diet and lots of vitamin B1, B9, zinc, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin C in particular. Because the brain is over 70% water, it's very important to drink a lot of water too. The study of the brain is called neurology.
The question: what percent of the brain is water? And I've removed names so some people don't, feel a little ashamed about the answer if they didn't get it correct. So I made it anonymous. Only I can see the name. I still got 50% that have no answer. 41 now, 33, 25. I think I'm missing about, what, 3 more people? All right, 30 seconds. All right, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
The heart and the circulatory system. The heart is one big pump which is made of muscle